Hi, I'm foreclosure defense attorney and legal blogger Roy Oppenheim. I want to talk to you a little today about the idea that there could well be principal reduction in mortgage modifications coming up in the near future. Of all places, the last place that we would expect, the Federal Reserve just came out with a white paper that I actually blogged about this week, talking about the fact that unless the real estate market begins to turn around, that it will continue to be a drag on the economy. In fact, what the Federal Reserve talks about, and something that we've been talking about for several years now, is that since the 1930s, there has never been a recession where the real estate market did not actually pull the economy out of the recession. Usually that would occur during either mortgage modifications or refinances, as they typically have been called, when people actually had enough equity in their homes. But because people don't have enough equity in their homes, it's impossible for people to refinance from a 5, 6, 7% loan down to a 3, 4% loan. That can only occur if there's principal reduction. And up until now, it has been the Federal Reserve of all places that I think has been quietly telling the banks that they cannot go ahead and do principal reduction because of a concern of what's called a moral contagion, whereby if you got a mortgage modification and got a principal reduction, your next door neighbor would want it, your next door neighbor would want it, and everyone would want it. But because the market has been so soft, and because the banks have absorbed so many properties through foreclosure, they have literally decimated entire neighborhoods. Entire neighborhoods are like ghost towns. Homes are full with squatters, and aluminum sidings are being pulled down, and these homes have become so decrepit that in cities like Detroit, like we've talked about from 60 Minutes, have literally had to bulldoze entire neighborhoods because the banks have been so irresponsible in taking care of the homes. I mean, let's remember, the banks are your worst neighbors. They don't mow the lawns, they don't take care of their pools, they don't necessarily pay their homeowner association dues on time. They are not the types of neighbors that maintain the stability of a neighborhood. And so while the Federal Reserve originally may have thought that it was a good idea not to encourage principal reduction, they have literally now done an about face. And maybe it's because the election is around the corner, but for whatever reason, it's very important that we all sit tight and remember that principal reduction on mortgage modifications may well become a reality, at least according to the Federal Reserve. Have a good weekend. Roy Oppenheim from the trenches.